Well, it's been a while, and I'm back. It's been a very busy summer. You guys haven't seen any videos from me in quite a while, and well, it's because I haven't made any ramps in a while. I think it was towards the end of April till I was really last making ramps. So it worked out pretty well. I made a ton of ramps over the winter. Didn't have to do anything all summer besides ship, and it worked out pretty great. So coming into fall, and my supplies are dwindling, and well, this is my tired face, and I'm going to show you why. Look at that, a whole lot of big ramps. First we got Checkpoint, a whole stack of Hurricanes, and an even bigger stack of Data East Batman. I am literally out of room for storing these things before I package them up, so that's as many as I'm doing this week. Down here we have some small ramps for Roller Coaster Tycoon. I guess I'll be running some bigger ones here probably in the next run. And what? Oh, look at that. Roadshow. I've been having a lot of trouble with the yellow. I think I've conquered it finally, and I'm doing a nice big run of them. This is the first half, and I'm going to turn around and probably do another run so I don't have to make them for like another year. So the wait is over on those. Here we got a bunch of Dr. Dude ramps. We got Gold Wings. Got a whole box of little trunk ramps for Pinball Magic. We got a single clear roadshow ramp. That was a special request. If you need one of those in the next 6 months, you let me know soon, and I'll get you one. Here's some spring break clear. I saw a lot of these in purple as well. Here we got big stack of Last Action Hero main ramps. Below me, got a tired dog. She didn't even have to do anything today. I'm the one that's working all day, and she gets to take a nap. Gotta love it. Say hi, Wilma. I don't think she cares. We got more Cue Ball Wizard center trays. I don't know how many of these are out there, but man, seem to sell a lot of them. And then over here we got a whole big stack of the back ramps for Road Kings and the center ramps for Road Kings. And here is the short ramp for Party Animal. And here we got a big old stack of Excalibur ramps. That should last me a little while. Down here we have some trough ramps for Phantom of the Opera. They'll eventually wind up being red like the sample there, but that happens at the end. And then down here is a couple pit ramps for Indy 500 and Grand Prix. Oh, now the dog wants to leave. All right, go ahead. Anyway, Indy 500 pit ramps, just a few of those. There was a leftover project from something else and used some plastic up, and I'm kind of low on them, so there's that. This is the Hall of, I wouldn't say Hall of Shame, but the Hall of Not Very Good. These are all scraps. I'll have to determine. A lot of these are probably going to wind up in ramp grab boxes. Couple of them have some fairly minor blemishes. They may wind up as a special auction on eBay for somebody that doesn't really care about a blemish, but I can't sell them as good, so this is where they're sitting for now.